Hi everyone! Last year, I finally got fed up with recording video from my Sony Xperia PRO-I and getting overexposed footage in bright scenes.
Blurring the background using the f2.0 aperture resulted in overexposed videos, and I didn't want to increase the shutter speed to compensate for it.
I wanted to keep my shutter speed at 1/48 and 1/60, and the only option to avoid overexposure on this phone was to use a neutral density filter. It's like having sunglasses for your camera. But finding a filter holder for the Sony Xperia PRO-I was extremely difficult to do. I need to watch my step here, it's a bit slippery. I decided to make my own that was affordable and simple. Over the past 8 months, I've been working on this setup right here, which I'm finally content with. It's not very pleasing to look at, but it gets the job done. If you want to see a video on how I made this case, please check the description section below.
I originally started out with a 49mm lens holder, but some ND filters blocked the sensor and flash at the top. For my final setup, I ended up using a 52mm lens holder. For this video, you will see daylight scenes using a 52mm K&F ND filter from the Xperia PRO-I's 24mm wide-angle camera and the Video Pro app. Now, let's go check out some video footage from this new setup and the 52mm ND filter. The 24mm lens and its 50mm digital zoom are used to record distant subjects with the f4.0 aperture and close subjects with f2.0.
That's it everyone for this video. I hope it convinced you that using an ND filter for your Sony Xperia PRO-I or any other smartphone is really a great option to avoid overexposure in bright scenes. Please tap that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so. Until next time, stay safe, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video.